Hello dear friends. Today we will discuss about GIS. GIS is Geographical Information System, which is a computerized information storage processing and retrieval system that has both hardware and software specially designed to cope with geographically referenced spatial data and the corresponding attribute information in terms of tables, charts and statistics. The system, this system, GIS, Geographical Information System, permits capturing as well as storage of both spatial and non-spatial datasets from variety of sources, including maps, aerial photographs, another analog and digital remote sensing data sources, ground surveys, global positioning systems, and conventional sources. Conventional sources, you can say cadastral maps. The great advantage of GIS is that it has the capability to relate the two types of datasets and look through or wide range of integrated queries, search, and permit manipulation. You can manipulate data. GIS full functions combines three basic types of capabilities. Number one, presentation of mapping, which includes the ability to show geographical features on a map, to assign data values and ranges to those features, to zoom in and zoom out to indicate various levels of details. Presentation on map or presentation through mapping programs help viewers to recognize spatial pattern of information what exists on ground. Second is using maps as an organizing tool for large databases. You can recognize data into different spatial units or keep records of spatial data and compare information across different features or database. And third one is spatial analysis. Spatial analysis is used for or the use of spatial data in logical or mathematical models for purpose of planning and decision making. So the geographical information system, a set of three words: geographical information system. Geographical. Geographical is related to space or related to the object which exists on the space or the earth surface, right? Which we represent with three basic shapes: point, line, and polygon. If we are locating a particular location, we will use point. If we are drawing roads, sewerage line, electricity line, streets, etc., then we will use lines. If we are demarcating the outer boundary, then we will use polygons. And these all three shapes, point, line, polygon, are called vector layers, vector data. Right? And we will extract these basic shapes from a reference data. Reference data in term of image. We will use georeferenced image to extract all this information, and this image is called raster data. Right? Then geographical is clear. Then information. Information is the information about the feature, about that geographic feature which exists on the earth surface. Right? Then third one third one is the system. System is which we will use to integrate or to compile in this whole system of GIS. There are basic five components: hardware, software, data, method, and people. Right? Hardware. Hardware which we use, our computer, laptop. Right? Hardware is the computer system on which GIS operates. Today, GIS software runs on a wide range of hardware types, from centralized computer services to desktop computers used in standalone or networked configurations. Then software. GIS software provides the functions and tools needed to store, analyze, and display geographic information. Then data, most important. Perhaps, perhaps the most important component of a GIS is the data. Without data, you can't do anything. Geographic data and related tabular data can be collected in-house, compiled to custom specifications and requirements, or occasionally purchased from a commercial unit like you can say NRSE Hyderabad or Forest Survey of India or Survey of India. You can purchase data from these agencies also, which are already working in this platform. A GIS can integrate spatial data with other existing data resources, often stored in a corporate DBMS, database management system. The integration of spatial data, often proprietary to the GIS software, and tabular data stored in a DBMS is a key functionality afforded by GIS. Then the third component is people. GIS technology is of limited value without the people who manage the system and develop plans for applying it to the real world problem. GIS uses range from technical specialists who design and maintain the system to those who use it to help them perform their everyday work. The identification of a GIS specialist versus an end users is often critical to proper implementation of the GIS technology. आप लोग गूगल मैप यूज़ करते हैं, आप लोग ओला कैब के लिए जीएस टैगिंग यूज़ करते हैं, वो आपको आपकी लोकेशन बताता है, राइट? दीज ऑल आर द एंड प्रोडक्ट्स और उसके जो पीछे का काम है वो एक जीएस प्रोफेशनल आपको करके देता है. यूज़र को जस्ट एक एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में, एक ऐप फॉर्म में, मोबाइल पे एक ऐप बन जाएगा या डेस्कटॉप पे एक ऐप बन जाएगा और आप उसको यूज़ करोगे, लेकिन उसके पीछे की जो मेहनत है वो एक जीएस प्रोफेशनल करता है. देन द लास्ट वन इज मेथड which a GIS professional follows. A successful GIS operates according to a well-designed implementation plan and business rules, which are the models and operating practices unique to each organization. Right? So, this GIS, today GIS is the multi-billion dollar industry, employing hundreds of thousands of people worldwide. GIS is taught in schools, colleges, and universities throughout the world. Professional and domain specialists in every discipline are become increasingly aware of the advantages of using GIS technology for addressing their unique spatial problems. So overall, we can conclude GIS, or we can have an overview of GIS in this way, that a geographical information system integrates hardware, software, and data for capturing, managing, analyzing, and displaying all form of geographically referenced information. And GIS allows us to view, understand, question, interpret, and visualize data in many ways that reveal relationships, pattern, and trends in the form of maps, globes, reports, and charts. Beside this, GIS help us answer questions and solve problems by looking at your data in a way that is quickly understood and easily shared. Besides this GIS technology can be integrated into any enterprise's information system framework. At last, I just want to say that presently this GIS has got a new subject name, that is the science of where. The science of where. Thanks for your kind attention and watching this video. Thank you.